Have you found an online resource worth adding to your school collection? Well, with our new FSI WebCat, you can now catalogue any web page directly to your school's library collection. Whether you're browsing content through federated search or even just exploring the web, WebCat lets you catalogue resources in just a few clicks, making them instantly discoverable by your students and staff. When using federated search, simply select the catalogue button on a resource tile to add it directly to your collection. For websites found through your regular browser, install the FSI WebCat plugin through your browser's extension store. With a single click, WebCat creates a catalogue record and automatically captures key metadata, including the title, description, author, and subject terms. You can also customize these fields before saving it to your catalogue. Your resource is now accessible through your site's Smart Search. WebCat is a faster, smarter way to grow your digital collection and connect your school community with valuable online content.
If you'd like to find more information, you can head to our FSI help articles located in the Support tab in the System menu. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any more ideas or any suggestions about the content you'd like to see, please let us know by commenting below or contacting our FSI customer service team.